Welcome to Impetus Workload Transformation, Notebook-based online code transformation tutorial. Let's browse an already created assessment. Let's go to the Transformation tab. The assessment has additionally converted some of the input Teradata queries to the target equivalent, that is Azure in this case. You can also further add your queries and instantly transform them to the preferred target of your choice. I have already copied it. Let's instantly transform it. In just a few seconds, it provides the transform query. Adding another. You can also transform all the added queries in one go. There are many other features such as importing queries in bulk, validating them after transformation, associating source metadata, and many more that are available in the full version. Saving the notebook. Let's navigate to the notebook listing page. This lists the notebooks that we've created. Thanks for watching.